Hello student, myself Patil SS. I am going to teach electronic second. Electronics has 200 marks and divided into two sections, electronic first and electronic second. Electronic first and seconds were the for 50 marks for theory paper and 50 marks for practical. For 50 marks theory paper, board allows 3 hours and total paper with options is 98 marks. Same pattern for electronic first theory paper and electronic second theory paper. I am going to teach you electronic seconds, which consist 7 chapters. The first chapter is number system. Second is logic gates. Third is logic families and IC specification. 4 is multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder and decoders. Fifth is flip-flops, counters and registers. 6 is analog to digital and digital to analog converter. And 7th chapter is computer fundamental. Now the first chapter is number systems, which has 15 marks. We all are familiar with decimal number from the first standard. So we can see first decimal number system. A decimal number systems which has 10 basic symbol. That symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And its base, which is also known as a radix, is 10. In this number system, each digit is corresponding to the power of 10. For an example, suppose 1234. We write each digit positions according to its power of 10. Now we can write 4 into 10 raised to 0 plus 3 into 10 raised to 1 plus 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 1 into 10 raised to 3. Therefore, 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Therefore, 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4, that is 1234. That means these digits has unit place 3, that digit for 10 place, 2 that digits for 100 place, and 1 for 1000 place. Now next example, 12.34. We can write 2 into 10 raised to 0 plus 1 into 10 raised to 1 plus 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. Therefore 1 into 10 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100. Therefore 10 plus 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.04, therefore 12.34. In decimal number systems which uses 10 symbols, so it is very difficult to use this number directly into the digital circuit because there are 10 symbols, so we require 10 different voltage levels. The size and reliability of the circuit is very important, so new number system is used. That introduce new number system is known as a binary number system. A binary number systems which base, which is also known as a radix, is 2. It uses two symbols. That symbols are 0 and 1. All the binary number consist of only 0 and 1 bit, and it is a string of 0 and 1. Each bit position is expressed a power of 2, and that symbol 0 and 1 are called bits. A number arranged using these bits is called binary number. For an example, 1010. This is binary number, so its base is 2, so 2 is suffixed to that number. Next example, suppose 1100, binary number, so 2 is at base, 101001 base 2, that is the binary number. That base 2 indicates that is the binary number. That is the 4-bit binary number. That bit may be 0 or 1. What is the advantages of binary number? Why we use the binary number? Binary number systems uses only two symbols, that is 0 and 1. So we require only two voltage levels. And it is very easy to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplications, etc. We also easily convert binary number into decimal, decimal number into binary. Binary number is more accurate and readable number systems. And also different logic can be applied by using these two numbers. What is mean by base or radix? Base or radix of a number system is the number of a basic symbol, That binary number systems we uses two symbol, so its base is 2. So that number is expressed in power of 2. Each bit is expressed in power of 2. Decimal number systems. In decimal number systems we uses 10 symbol, so its base or radix is 10 and its each digits is corresponding to a power of 10. Suppose that digits 4 digits, it is expressed 4 into 10 raised to 0, means it is expressed, its weight is expressed 10 raised to 0. For 3 digits it's expressed 10 raised to 1. 2, it's expressed its weight 10 raised to 2. For 1 digits 10 raised to 3, and so on. Now we see the conversion of binary to decimal conversion. Binary to decimal conversion. Any binary number can be converted into its equivalent decimal number using the weights assigned to each bit positions. Now we see the examples and how we can convert it, that binary number into the decimal number. For example, convert 1111 base 2, means that is the binary number, into decimal number. 1111 base 2. Here each bit is converted into its weighted form, means that 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2, 1 into 2 raised to 3, that is 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1, that is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15 base 10, means 1 1 1 1 base 2. That 111 binary number is equivalent to the decimal number 15. Another method, suppose same example, 1111 base 2 x10. x10 means here the base is 10, means that binary number is converted into the decimal number. Write the binary number 1111. Write the binary weight below each digit from the right to left. Here binary weight is 1, its binary weight is 2, its binary weight is 4, its binary weight is 8. Therefore, cancel the weight where the bit is 0, but in that example not any bit is 0, so there is not any bit is 0, so we can add 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 15 base 10s. Next example, 1010 base 2 x tens, means 1010 binary number is converted into the decimal number. First method, 1010 base 2, that 0, that bit 0 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3. Therefore 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Therefore 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 base 10. Now the second method. In second method, extends, write the binary number, that is 1 0 1 0. Write the binary weight below each digits from right to left, 1 2 4 8. That means that bit's binary weight is 1, that bit's binary weight is 2, it's 4, it's 8. Cancel the weight where the bit is 0. So 8 plus 2, that is 10 base 10, means 1010 base 2 is the equivalent to the decimal number 10. Now next example. One zero one 1.1 base 2 extend. Same method. 1 0 1 1.1 1 2 4 8.5. Where the bit is 0, cancel the weight. Therefore 8 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0.5, 11.5 base 10. First method, 1011.1 base 2 extend. Now the whole number, 1011.1 base 2 is equal to that 1 into 2 raised to 0 and next fraction plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3. 1 into 8 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 upon 2. Therefore 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0.5. Therefore 11.5 base 10. Is it clear? Now we see the decimal to binary conversion. Decimal to binary conversion, which is also known as a double double method. First we see the examples and then explain the theory. First example, suppose 11 base 10 means 11 is the decimal number. That decimal number is converted into the binary number. What is meant by double method? To convert the whole decimal number into binary equivalent number, division by 2 is known as double method. That means that whole number 11 is divided by 2. 2 5s are 10 means 11 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 remainder, 5 quotients. After the divisions of whole number, the quotient is right down below, that is 5, and remainder right to the right side. Again that number is divided by 2. 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 2 quotient. So write down the quotient below, direct that number, write the remainder to the right side. That 2 is again divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. No remainder, so that is 0. That 1 is again divided by 2. But that is not possible, so that 1 is we write here. And take the remainder from bottom to top. So we get 1 0 1 1 base 2. That is 11 decimal number. Its equivalent binary number is 1011 base 2. Is it clear? Now we see the next examples. (43) base 10 x2 means 43 whole number is converted into the binary number. The conversion method is known as a double method, or also known as a decimal to binary conversions. Means that whole number, that 43, that whole number is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. That is 43 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 0. 2 1s are 2. 1. That 1 is remainder, and that is quotient. So we write quotient directly below that number and remainder to the right sides. Again that number is divided by 2. 2 10s are 20. So remainder is 1. That number is again divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. No remainder. So here we write 0. Again divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remainder. Again divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. No remainder, so we write here 0. Again here we write, we are not divided 1 by 2, so here we write 1. And take the remainder from bottom to top, means 43 base 10 is equal to bottom, means 1 0 1 0 1 1 base 2. Now we see the next example. Suppose 0.23 base 10 is equal to x2. Means we can convert the fraction decimal number into binary number. Now see the procedure. Multiply the fraction number by 2. That is 0.46. There is no integer, so we can write here 0. Again, that fraction number is multiplied by 2. 12, चला एक no. There is no integer, so here we write 0. Again, that 92 is fraction number is multiplied by 2. 2 to the 4, 8, 1. Here integer is 1, so keep aside a integer that is 1, and remaining fraction number is again multiplied by 2. Keep a integer aside, and again fraction number is multiplied by 2. This is unending process. So it can be continued till answer is sufficiently accurate. So we can get an accurate answer, nearly accurate answer. So we can write 0.23 base 10 is 0.0011 base 2. Now we see how the decimal number converted into the binary and binary number into the decimal.